All right, today we are going to restore a SKB I-Series hard case for video and photography. My job was throwing away a bunch of these cases and I wanted to save them. So it's not set up for the purposes that I want to use it. Put my camera gear in here. It's already had these cutouts in it that aren't good for my purposes right now. So I want to take those foam pieces out. Also replace them with some adjustable, the adjustable kit that I got for the inside and a top piece. Also want to see if I can get rid of this writing here with a little bit of alcohol and some elbow grease. So let's jump in. I'm going to take a nice sturdy scraper here. All right, so it's coming out pretty good. You definitely need a very sturdy scraper for this. This one I got from a paint store, stainless steel. Very sturdy, great strong handle. So you can scrape all this glue out of here. But coming up pretty good, a little bit better than I expected it. So we can keep at it. Bottom is pretty much scraped out. All right, so I'm gonna have to brush this out, vacuum it out, get it all as clean as possible before I put in the adjustable kit in here. All right, I'm going to dump this out and be right back. All right, I'm back. So bottom, it's pretty good. Now I'm gonna get to top. Wow. Somebody went to town on the top with the glue, but little elbow grease and we got it out of there. It's not perfect, but yeah, somebody went to town on the glue on the top. So, I may work on it a little bit more, but that should work for what I'm going to use it for, because I'm going to cover up all this up anyway. So let me dump this out and be right back. Case is fairly clean inside. Like I said, I'm going to cover it up with the base kit and the top accessory kit. So let's see what I can do with this here. Again, not perfect. I'm going to write my information on the top of here. I'm going to work with it a little bit more, but I'm going to move on to the interior. It's a nice new foam adjustable kit for the interior. It has these two angular corners, and that goes where the wheels are. All right. Oh wow, That went in there nicely. I like that. So now you can have all these compartments and adjust. Yeah, and I can put my camera gear in here in many different ways. Let me get the top on here. But that looks good. Here's the top. Alright, that looks good. So it has these two adhesive strips on the back. So it'll go in like that. Just peel it off like that. Have it. So nice compartments up here. This expands. The stuff behind there. Another compartment here. Several compartments. So I'm going to work with it. Put my camera gear in here, and I'm pretty pleased. So anyway, hope you guys like that. Again, as always, appreciate you taking the time to look at my videos. So please, if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe and hit a like. All right, it tells me that I am, doing videos that you all like. So until next time, take care.